You walk into your favorite restaurant, and how cool is it that the owner knows your name? How cool is it that they know how you like your food cooked and prepared? How cool is it that they know what you like to eat? Now, how incredible would it be if you hired an attorney or a law firm that did the same exact thing? Would you like to learn the answer? Come join me. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. You know, when you're searching for an attorney, there are a lot of unknowns, especially when you don't know a particular trusted attorney. And the question for you is, which law firm is right for you? You have a lot of choices, and you have to learn a lot about how lawyers advertise themselves and what they can do to help solve your legal problem. One of the key things that I found over the course of my career is that when clients come into an office, they want to know that they're special. They want to know that the attorney is going to give them that special attention. They want to make them feel great. Now, there's a huge difference between going to a law firm that has a lot of attorneys, a lot of staff, a lot of overhead, and going to a small law firm or a solo practitioner where everybody knows your name. When you walk into a law firm and the secretary immediately recognizes you and says, "Mr. Jones, how nice to see you again. How's your wife? How are your children? How's your family?" Where they know who you are, they make you feel special. Now that's a huge difference compared to walking into a big law firm where the receptionist doesn't know you, where the staff attorneys may not know you on a first name basis. They may not know anything about you except for the person who's handling your case on a day-to-day basis. You know, in a small law firm or in a solo practitioner's firm, you don't have that scenario. Instead, you have somebody who deals with you from start to finish, somebody who knows you intimately, somebody who knows your case extremely well. It's a place where you feel comfortable. Why? Because they know exactly what happened. I'll tell you, in my law firm as a solo practitioner, I know every single thing that goes on in your case from start to finish. I don't have to go to the computer to check what happened last on your case. Why? Because there's only one person who's going to handle your case. But when you call that big law firm and the receptionist says, "How do you spell your name, sir?" you'll know immediately that they don't really know your name. And they don't really know exactly what's going on with your particular file at that moment until you reach the person who handles your case on a day-to-day basis. Contrast that with an attorney who's a solo practitioner who does this every single day, who focuses on individual cases as opposed to having a massive caseload. There's a huge difference in that. So you decide whether you want to go to a place where everybody knows your name, and when you walk in you feel great, you feel comfortable, you feel warm and confident. Now, why do I share this information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in deciding which lawyer or law firm is right for you. There's a lot of choices that you have. You need to make the right one for you. And chances are, if you have legal questions and your matter happened in the state of New York, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I answer legal questions like yours every single day, and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks for watching.